What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rose. I am an online health and fitness coach for women. I have a 3-month program that will help you achieve and maintain your dream body on a plant-based diet for the rest of your life. So if you are interested in working with me, link to that is below. In today's video, I am joined with my favorite person, my mom. Plant Life Chose Mom is here, and I'm going to tell you guys all about her exact workout routine. How old are you?
I will never tell.
I'm here with my mom, and I'm going to take you guys through her exact workouts. If you only have 2 times a week to train, that is all you need. You just need to know what exercises to do and how to progress them, so keep watching. I will take you guys through that. One thing is what exercises you actually need to do. So starting from your upper body, as a female, to get that hourglass shape that we want, you do have to train your upper body. So I suggest doing something for your shoulders, so an overhead press. And then I also suggest a lateral raise for the sides of your shoulders, because when you have nice capped shoulders, it just looks amazing in dresses, right, Mom?
Definitely.
Next, you want to do your back. So a bent over row is a great exercise, and if you're at home, if you have a band, you can put something up overhead and do a pull down. Those are 2 great exercises. When you're working compound exercises like that, such as a push-up as well, you're also working your arms. So you don't really need to do bicep curls or tricep isolation exercises unless you really want to target your arms. Moving on to our lower body, 3 exercises for our glutes and our thighs and back of our legs as well, those saddlebags. All you need for that is a squat, a hip thrust, and a deadlift. That's pretty much all you need. I see so many women doing these crazy exercises that are just jumping around, doing these side lunge things, but no. Squat, deadlift, hip thrust, and then of course you need some weighted abs. As long as you have all of those exercises that I just said, you can set up 2 full body routines and your muscles will progress week to week. Struggle with the deadlift because you have to think of the hip hinge first. So this is what I always tell Plant Life Chose Mom. So I want you to have an athletic stance, feet are shoulder width apart, knees are soft, and you're gonna pretend like you just came back from Trader Joe's, you're carrying 2 bags of groceries, and you wanna shoot your hips back like you're closing the door behind you with groceries in your hand. So keep your spine neutral, look up, and then think hips butt back. And this is the hinge.